In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import multiple Excel files into Power BI for streamlined data automation. This process is essential for anyone looking to manage and analyze data more efficiently, particularly if you're dealing with numerous data sets stored as separate Excel files. Let's dive right into it. First, ensure you have Power BI Desktop installed on your computer. Once you have Power BI open, the first step is to locate the Get Data button. It's conveniently positioned on the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Clicking on Get Data will open a drop-down menu showcasing several options. Here, we want to choose More from this menu. By doing so, you access a detailed list of data sources supported by Power BI, providing versatility in data importation. Next, in the Get Data menu, you'll find a variety of connectors that Power BI offers. Look for the Folder option. Selecting folder is particularly useful here because it allows you to import all the Excel files as contained within a specific folder in one go. Click on folder and then proceed to click on connect. Once you've done this, you'll be prompted to browse your computer directories. Go ahead and locate the folder where all your Excel files are stored. After selecting the folder, click OK. At this point, a preview window will appear showing all the files contained in your chosen folder. This is an excellent opportunity to double check that the correct files are being imported. Power BI lists the files with their names, extensions, and dates modified, allowing you to keep track effortlessly. When you're satisfied with the files displayed, click on the Combine and Transform Data button at the bottom of the window. Doing so initiates the Power Query Editor, a versatile and powerful tool within Power BI. Here, you can perform various transformations and cleaning operations on your data. For example, if you only need certain columns from the Excel files or if there are headers and formatting that you'd like to modify, this is the stage to make those edits. Once comfortable with the adjustments, finalize the data by hitting the Close and Apply button. Congratulations, you've successfully imported multiple Excel files into Power BI. From here, you can start visualizing your data, creating reports, and gaining insights that your business or project requires. Remember, this approach to managing Excel files not only saves time but also reduces the manual effort involved in bringing disparate data sources together. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to handle your data more efficiently using Power BI. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy data exploring!